Welcome to Kids Can Code. This tutorial is about how to get Unity, the program that we're going to code in. You just need to go up to your bar here. You just type in Unity, UNITY 3D.com, and it'll take you to this page. You just hit this button up here, and then on this page it shows you the difference between them. We're going to be using the Personal Edition, so you just hit the free download button, and then you download this installer, and when the installer is finished, you'll get an exe which will allow you to start downloading. The old version made you download the entire program and then install it. This is downloader that installs it for you. So it's very straightforward. Once you do that, you just click it and then the download will start. While that's downloading, I'm not going to go through that. It takes too long, and I already have it installed and I'm using it for programming my own games and for my work, so I can't really mess it up by installing another version. While that's installing, what you want to do though is go to the asset store. So this is what yours will look like if you go to the asset store without being logged in. And then you can click on this little button up here, and then you want to hit create account. And you want to fill all of this information in. Since you're younger, I suggest that you use your parents' name if you plan to buy anything. If you're going to just download free items, there's lots and lots of free items, then just use your own information. But it's really kind of cool how many free items they have. The asset store is really super helpful for a beginner because there are so many free assets. I'm not going to go over specific assets like I did before, telling you to download particular ones. Instead, I'm just going to go over things that you could download which could help you. So for new people, what you want to do is you want to go to Complete Asset Projects. First, I'm going to log back in. Okay, so now that we're logged in, you can go over to the Complete Projects, and you can look at packs, systems, templates, tutorials, yada yada. My two favorites are the tutorials and the Unity Tech demos. Unity Tech demos looks like they've rearranged it. Must be in here. Okay, so Angry Bots is pretty good if you're wanting to do a shooter. Just download it and play around with the settings. Since you've signed up and you're logged in, you can just hit open in Unity and it'll automatically launch Unity and install it. Some of these items haven't been updated, and so when you first open them and it starts running, it'll say that it needs to update, and you can go ahead and let it do that. But you can see there's lots and lots of free ones, so just sort by price and look at all the free ones. They're a lot of fun to play with, and you can actually learn a lot from just looking at what somebody else has done. You can also learn what makes other people's games slow and fast and such. So play around with that, and that's where to get started with Unity as far as installing and finding assets. And the next tutorial we'll go over something else.